the last video, I forgot to tell you that right now it is the team meetings. They span over 42.13 days. So to make it real, I actually need to add an extra day. So when I look at my schedule, it actually says 45 days now. But right here we have an hour, and we actually have 45 days down here. So these team meetings are actually going to be overtime, but we'll look at that in a short while. What we're going to be looking at in this one is we're going to be defining our work resources. And the way we do that is that we go up under view. Oh, then we have resource sheet. Under resource sheet, I'm going to add myself, and then I'm going to add yeah, let's just give him a name, Bob. And it's work and work. I could also have chosen material or a cost price, but right now it's work. My initials, for instance, if I place them in a group, and I can give them a cost use, but it's actually easier if you double click. Why did then? Well, anyway, if you go in here, cost use, regular rate, overtime rate. In here, I could add a monthly fee, and I could be like 25,000 backslash MON for month. And I could do the same thing with this one, say 23.5 per month. And overtime is 200 per hour, and this one is 150 per hour, like that. What I want to do now is I'm going to go back to my Gantt chart, and these team meetings here, like that, I can go to my task, resource, assign resource, and I can say, oh, okay, Bob and Tolliver, those two, assign, and I can actually see the cost, but it's going to cost me per hour to have those there. I'm going to say close, and right now I have my cost out here. So every time I have a meeting, this is what's going to cost me. If I go back to the view, the resource sheet, the reason is it doesn't cost 200 or 150 is this is not overtime. But if I should go down and choose these, again under resource, assign resources, choose these two, say assign, the cost suddenly raises. Do the same down here, assign and assign, close. The price for 5 days for 2 people is 12,125. The reason is, to make it more simple, I'm just going to go to my view, the resource sheet, and I'm going to say he's going to also make 200 per hour, and instead of that he's going to be making 25,000 too, like this. So when I go and look under my Gantt chart, you can see it's half. 5 days equals, or if we have 25,000, that equals, what is that? My head right now, that's 5,000, 6,250. So two people would be 12,500. So right now, this is how you add the prices and the resources to your project. So totally right now, I have a project that is estimated to be 116,250. But the problem is, if I look in my preliminary phase or project, I only have 90,750. So I need to remove some resources. And if I look right here, this one, it shows me a warning. The task has over allocated resources. Right click for options. We're going to be looking at this in the next video.